Good morning, grade 5. Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing social studies and I'm going to talk a little bit about my slides and I want everybody to join me for our Google Hangout meeting at noon. Okay, so I'm going to post this for you much earlier because I want you to have a little bit of time to look at it. But please make sure that you are going to be there at 12. Okay, it's just I want the whole class to be there and then we can play the game together because I think it's going to be really fun if we are all there. Okay, so remember Thursday, 12 p.m. Google Hangout. All right, so we are doing the Arctic region, and I'm gonna go down in my slides here and talk a little bit about it. Oopsie. Okay, so right here, and then I go down. So these are some pictures from there. Obviously, there's a lot of snow, and it is a cold area. It's the coldest area in Canada. If we keep going down, we see the map, and as you can see that it has a lot of different areas. It takes Nunavut, a little bit of Northwest Territory, and you can see the line in here, this line here. That is the territory here, okay? And it also takes some part of Yukon, but just a little bit part of Yukon, not too much, as you can see in here, okay? So this is the map, and then when we go down, it's not working well. When we go down here, we have provinces and cities of provinces, Yukon, Northwest, and Nunavut. And then Iqaluit is the capital city in the region. Natural resources in the area could include anything such as copper, zinc, oil, gold. Mining for diamond is also starting in Nunavut. It doesn't have a lot of, it hasn't been there for a long time, so okay. What natural resources? Well, we have the natural resources that were found there first were the tundra, mountains, rivers, lakes. They have a lot of things in them, like lakes gives you a lot of water, and then if you have mountains, then you get lots of minerals and things like this. And then there is also sea animals such as the whales, seals, and many different kind of fish found in there, and the area was really rich with these. Matter of fact, the whales, for example, were the main attraction for European to come to the area. So diamond mining, oil, Inuit. So this is a video that talks about Inuit. You can watch that video later on. If you click in here. Oh, my net is a little bit slow today. If you click on the link, it'll show you the information. And then there are a couple of questions that I also answered here for you. So, where did they mostly settled? The Inuit mostly lived along the coastal area, and they traditionally lived where they could find resources they need to survive. Why do you think it was? Why do you think that is? Look at the picture. It's because of the whale. They had a strong connection to the whales. They hunt whales. They use a lot of stuff from whales. So they were like really good whale hunters. That when European came, they actually wanted to learn their skills. What animals are important? They continue to harvest whales, seals, and other animals for food. What did the Inuit live in? In the summer, they live in tent, and then in winter, they live in igloos, and then for shelter as well. For shelter. Some challenging question: why do you think they were isolated from each other? Because each family spent much time of the year traveling, setting up camps wherever food is available. Extended families were very important and would gather with others when seasons and availability of food permits. So they meet with each other when there is lots of food. So the video is ready here and it's just going to talk about them. You can watch that video on your own. I did give you the link in your research PowerPoint. And I'm also going to post this too so you can actually find it from there. So Inuit in the past, they lived together with families, but like I said up here, they had to move around to find food. Okay, so this is the end of part 1 video, and I'm gonna start recording part 2 in a couple of minutes.